Hey guys, it's me, Blocks. I just need to show you the dreadful rain outside. And I'm just doing a little bit of a vlog, I guess. You ready? Listen. And look. Are you seeing this? Look at this. Yeah, guys, it's dreadful, so it is. Absolutely dreadful. It's just, look at the road. It's literally getting washed and washed. I think it's going to flood. I just think it's going to flood. You like my hat, by the way, guys? Look at it. Yeah. Oh, yeah, thanks for 5 subscribers. I really appreciate that. If we can hit more subscribers, I think it's actually calming down now. Look, it's calming down a little bit. Oh my, look at the puddles. Wow, there's puddles everywhere. Guys, there's puddles everywhere. Literally. Also, we're gonna pull the trigger. Yeah. It's so dark. I'll go turn the light on. Much better, I guess. I'm not doing anything. Don't worry, guys. I'm no longer gonna show my face. I don't want to. Don't want to anymore. Anyway, guys, I'll be uploading more videos soon about Minecraft. I'm just trying to. There should be a video being uploaded how to make my working TV on Minecraft. Look, I'll show you guys. I'll show you. See my TV? Look at my TV. But what happens whenever I click the jukebox? It turns off because the lights turn off. To see it better, I'll turn the lights off. Also, I'll make a redstone. I'm gonna probably do redstone tutorials, guys. So I am, and then it turns on. So guys, I'm probably gonna start doing redstone tutorials, how to do cool redstone stuff. Cause my house is basically pure redstone. Just having a little walk around the house. I hope you guys are enjoying my videos because I really hope you are. Because I really work hard in my videos. I really do, and I hope you guys are enjoying them. Because, well, I just really want to make people, I want to be an entertainer YouTuber when I grow up. I want to be a YouTuber who'll do like gaming and stuff that would make people like happy and smile and everything. But unfortunately, that's not what I'm like. I probably can't make people smile. I don't think it's actually possible for me to do it. But anyway, I'm actually going to take my mask off because it's actually getting really warm. Guys, I've been like making something. Like, if you don't recognize who this is, I want you to try to write in the comments who you think this is. I don't know if you can see him. Wait, yeah, you can now. You can probably guess. If you can't guess, then that's fine. I really just got bored, so I started to record. Hey, rhymes. Guys, I need glasses, right? Well, I don't put them on when I'm recording anymore. Do you know why? Because they make me look stupid. Look. Don't have a look. Look. Look stupid. So I'm not going to wear my glasses when I'm recording. Maybe we can make a vote. Do you want my glasses or do you not want my glasses on the videos? Okay. This. And I just hope I can like hit maybe 10 subscribers. Please. Mom, we're halfway there. Guys, we're halfway there.